Happy Sunday, everyone. So, it's again time for weekly tech news. Yes, it's a Sunday. I'm a little late, but yes, let's get started with the weekly tech news. I have divided this video in just three little easy things so that you don't miss anything. What has happened, like in the last week, what events we had and what gadgets were released. Um, Anything that you missed out, probably no one else told you, and I found it somewhere on the internet, so I'll cover that. And what events are coming and what are confirmed, and what gadgets are supposedly launching very soon. So, yeah, very soon. We get started with the first news, which is MI had that event, uh, Smarter Leaving 2022 in 2021. So their event saw MI Band 6 coming to India finally, which is the most expensive so far. I mean, MI Band 6 costs 3,500 rupees. So yes, that is the most expensive, but they have a good um, loyalty bonus for people who have any MI band from 1 to 5 so far. They will get a push notification on MI Fit app, and they can get the MI band 6 at 3,000 rupees, so 500 rupees discount. And of course, if you use MobiKwik, which has had its own issues, I think you have some offers on, like if you spend money on mi.com through MobiKwik, you get 100, 200 rupees, depending on what offers are going on. So that's on. Also, there were some other IoT devices like TVs and even shoes, which are all available. Even laptops, they have MI series laptops with the Pro version, so Intel 11th gen i7 processors, all of that. So yes, you can see a whole list of devices that Xiaomi launched on their website. Now they're all available in India. Samsung Galaxy Watch 4 series is available in India. The prices are out, 24,000. The cheapest one starts with 24,000, but they have some special bank offers and some coupons for Samsung store and all that. So yeah, check that out. Those watches are out. India also ranked third biggest market in the world for wearables. People are loving wearables. People are going crazy buying wearables. I of course have. You will see that. Of course, this is an Honor watch. So and I have more. So, and it is all because of the fact that we have a lot of choices under $100. So you will see Amazon and Flipkart full of really good smartwatch features like SpO2, heart rate sensor, and even Bluetooth calling, less than $100, which is like for 4,000, 5,000 rupees, we'll get all of this. So yeah, India is spoiled for choice when it comes to wearables, and it is the third most biggest market in the world for wearables. Also, now that this is happening, I mean, people are buying wearables like crazy. Everyone has a smartwatch, a smartband. The good news is, and I kept thinking that Google is at fault here, that they're not bringing NFC payments on watches in India, on wearables watches, but no, it was RBI's fault. So I just read the news that RBI opened up the tokenization, which is the process of adding cards and making payments through your watches or wearable devices. So RBI just opened it up, and now, I mean, I'm sure we'll see a lot of watches. Hopefully, the first thing would be we'll see Google Pay on Wear OS watches. Hopefully, enabled really quick. Like, I really hope that Google does that. So yes, RBI has opened the floodgates that you can now make payments through NFC enabled wearables. So it was only available for tablets and phones so far, but now MI band, if we get MI band NFC, or any other watch with NFC, we should be able to make payments with that. So yes, that's great news for all of us. Also, Oneplus is offering free battery replacement for Oneplus 3, 5, and 6 series. So if you have Oneplus 3, 5, 5T, 6, 6T, any of those ones, you can go to Oneplus service center and get your battery replaced for free, which is a great news. I mean, you just have to pay the labor cost, which is like 450 rupees something. That's it. So you get the battery for free. They're doing it, of course, as a not as a goodwill gesture, but because they have a lot of stock lying around of the batteries and they want to clear it out. So yeah, it's better to get something out of it rather than just having, scrapping it. Also, I saw this just yesterday when I updated my ICICI Bank account app, that they now have NFC payments inbuilt in the app. So far, the only company I knew, the only bank I knew which allowed NFC payments from the app was SBI. I have an SBI credit card, and I also have ICICI credit card and debit card both. So now you can go to your ICICI mobile banking, iMobile banking app, and you can scroll at the bottom. You'll find NFC payments, which is also in the change log of their Android app. So it says that if you have an NFC enabled phone, you will be able to make payments, and you just have to enable NFC. So great. Whether you have a debit card or credit card, if they are NFC enabled, you will be able to activate that from the app, and you will be able to tap and pay with your ICICI Bank mobile application. Great news. So finally, every company is getting onto the NFC board, which is great. Also, India released new drone rules, so it's going to be making it easier for companies to use drones, or for individuals to use drones, and making things easier for people who use drones. Great stuff. Now let's look at upcoming events. Of course, we have the Apple event in September. Definitely, we'll see new iPhones, Apple Watch. They are leaked, kind of, so you can find those on the internet. Galaxy A52s is coming to India. Of course, it would be around 35 to 40,000. The prices are also leaked on Twitter. You can find or on other internet, anywhere on the internet. So the prices are leaked. They are 36,000 for 8128, and the 256 version is almost 40,000. For that, you can get a Snapdragon 888 phone, but Samsung being Samsung, they will charge a premium, and we'll get an A52s at almost 40,000 or 36,000. So that's coming on 1st of September. They've already confirmed. Samsung India Twitter handle, you'll see the dates and everything. Xiaomi again has 2 more events. 3rd of September, they are launching the Redmi 10 Prime in India, and 15th of September, they are doing a global launch, which would potentially see Redmi Mi11T, not Redmi, Xiaomi, because they've done away with the Mi branding, so it will be all Xiaomi branding. So Xiaomi 11T and Mi Pad 5 series might go global. So we'll know. It's not very, it's just 15 days left. Also, Fossil Gen 6 is possibly coming tomorrow. They have been teasing it. They've sent out emails for people who subscribe to their emails, and it's possibly coming tomorrow. So all of this launch is happening. A lot of gadgets again. August was jam-packed with launches. We are now able to buy all those gadgets, and now September again looks like a lot of launches. So that's it, pretty much. Thank you again, and if you've not subscribed to the channel, please do. If you found any information helpful, you can share the video, you can like, share, comment, whatever. And if I missed out anything, of course, please feel free to put them down in the comments, and I'll be happy to hear that from you and include that in my future videos and make sure I'm a little more cautious with the news. Thank you very much. Take care of yourself. Have a happy Sunday, and talk to you soon.